Hello, and good evening, everybody over at Northwest Wisconsin Contracting, and Randy especially. Uh, Appreciate you reaching out to me and emailing me back. As promised, here's this customized video just for you guys, kind of showing you how you could market differently or better through us, Midwest Valley Marketing. We are a marketing agency located in Richmond, Wisconsin. Small team, me and my fiance ourselves. We run and manage this marketing company where we're currently working with a couple other companies located here within Wisconsin, which is good. That's kind of one thing that holds true to me is staying in the area, similar as yourself, giving back to the wonderful communities that we have here in Wisconsin. But anyways, enough about me. Let's get into you guys. So here we have your web page, or I should say your website. And your website's got a good backbone. But one thing I've noticed is that it's just this. I got a contact page here. You got your projects here. Obviously you know your layout. One thing I would like to see differently on your guys' website is all of your tabs should be their own pages. It should be something that people can go into and look and see, what you guys do and how you do it and see your work. You have a project which shows your gallery and stuff like that. And I noticed even your Facebook page has a lot of your projects, but that should be something that's kind of on one spot on your website, similar to your contact page. It should be in one spot. Another thing that your website's missing that's really, really hurting you guys in Google's eyes is content. Sure, you have a bunch of pictures and you have some, descriptions for those pictures, but that doesn't mean anything in Google's eyes. That's not how people find you. Google wants content, which means that your homepage alone needs to have anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words. Each other page other than that needs to have anywhere from 500 to 1,000, and those pages, home and all, need to be loaded with keyword-rich content, meaning that a company like myself, we go out and we search for things that people are searching within this niche that are high quality searches or keywords, I should say, that will get back to you. And as long as we have those keyword rich content into our site, guaranteed to rank better on Google. So that's kind of our SEO services that we offer. Another thing too that we offer, like I said, is this GMB. I'm going to go into this because this kind of goes hand in hand with our SEO. SEO also goes into Google as well. We need to have keyword rich pictures as well as content on your GMB profile. I guess I didn't see it on here. I know number one, we'd like to get you right here. I see you're not in the top 3. And this is when I'm searching Rice Lake, and it says one of your guys' service areas is Rice Lake. So we'd love to have you up on there. 2, 3, 4, 5. I think you're like the 6th or 7th one down. And we can definitely boost this up to number 1. That's part of our GMB optimization that we can do. We will definitely define this and get you ranked up there higher. So that way, when people find that Google Map Pack, I call it GMB or Google Map Pack. When people search roofing companies, Rice Lake, or roofing companies, I forget each other ones, Eau Claire or Hayward, when they search those keywords, they find you guys. That guarantees you more income and guarantees you more leads and more clients. And obviously keeps busy, help you grow. Another reason and another tool I can use to kind of show me where you guys are lacking is this little tool right here. It's Ahrefs. What I can do is I can punch in your guys' website URL up top here, and it kind of shows me some of your backbones, I guess you could say, to your website and to who you guys are online. And 4, 2, and 6. So you guys don't really have a lot going there, which is going to be just fine. I mean, at least you guys have something. We have something to go off of, but we have to build that up. And I was talking about a lot of research too, and why I can't give you an accurate price right now is because it takes a lot of research to figure this out. But so we're going to go back here and I'm going to show you how I use my Ahrefs tool. And we're going to let's use this top dog here. I don't know if you probably know the guy personally. Who knows? Why not beat him out? It's your livelihood. Make sure we have total control of that. So with that being said, we will take his website. I don't even have to look at the website itself to tell you this cool information here. And I take that and I punch it into here. And we search. So you guys have 4, 2, and 6. There's some key ones we look at. Obviously, UR and DR too, but I won't explain that. That's my end of it. It gets complicated. So we have 4, 2, and 6. So this is Tim Miller Roofing. And this is just a comparison. I would assume this is your top competitor. So you had 4, 2, 6. He's got 445, 62, and 90. Excuse me. Sorry, there was a little glitch in the video there. I had to sneeze, and I didn't want to have to do it all over camera. Back to what I was saying, though, with this guy being your top competitor, we can kind of compare you to him right now. He's got almost 450 backlinks, 62 referring domains, and 90 organic keywords. So this is something that we would target, and this is kind of where the expenses come in on the SEO side of things. It's trying to get up close to him, if not to beat him, obviously, is the number one goal. We want people going to you, not this guy. And another service, like I said, we offer is social media management. We have a social media package. And I see you guys do a pretty good job on your social media, honestly. You got this right here. You have your website, you got a phone number, message you have your email, and what you guys do, your contractor. One thing we can add in here that is needed is your location, your hours. We need this stuff too, because this is all great in Google's eyes as well. Not to mention, I see you have a March 3rd posting. An August 7th posting. Another one from August 7th. It looks like you did a siding job. It looks like you posted a lot of them in one day. And then you got this July. So what I'd like to do for you guys, if you guys do decide to go with this route, is you can keep me updated with all of your projects and what you're doing. We can run your promos on Facebook. Even if you're on other social media apps, we can do LinkedIn, whether you're on Instagram. That's totally up to you guys on what you're already doing. So we'll do that. Like I said, we can do all your posts for you, run promos, run ads. And on the other ad side of it too, like I said, we do ads. Excuse me, goodness. Do Google ads right here. Renew Roofing. See how we got running an ad right here? Even if I go back, we've got Renew Roofing, we got Borgstrand Metal Roofing, we've got Four Seasons. These guys are all running ads, and this is something that we can do that's going to get you guys business in the door as soon as possible. So most likely we would do that on the front end, and then we would do the SEO on the back end so we can slowly get you ranking up organically. I say slowly because it can be a process sometimes, but depending on the research we have to do, we can figure out where you're at and what we have to get. It could be a 3-month turnaround result with your SEO side of it. It could be 6. I don't know. That's not something I know off the top of hand. But if you would like to, we can go into what I like to call a deep dive call, which is we can sit down on a Zoom call or even a phone call and kind of figure out, what your goals are, what some of your aches and pains are within the business and in the industry, and figure out how we can truly help you, because it's the only thing that I want to be able to do is to bring you guys adequate results. And if I can't do that, I'm wasting my time and I'm wasting yours. So with that being said, I'm going to get this sent over to your email. When you see it, please give me some feedback regardless, whether you liked it, loved it, hated it. I'd just like to know, because that helps me and my team, kind of reflect on how we're doing things. If we need to change up, do better for you guys, because we'd like to bring you top-notch quality service. So anyways, Randy, again, I'm Josh, Midwest Valley Marketing. Thank you.